Look at this YouTube channel. It has only 133 videos, but more than 2.1 million subscribers. Now check the views. Many of these videos are going viral. One of the most popular videos is about a cow. And the earnings? You'll be shocked. This person is easily making between $800 to $1,400 video, sometimes even more. And the best part? You can do the same. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily make viral cow shorts using AI tools, step by step. You'll see how I create these videos, and I'll also give you the best prompts, which are super important. You can use my prompts directly or change them to make your own style. So let's begin. I'll show you how to create these amazing videos from scratch. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you. Step 1. Visit Leonardo.ai first of all. Go to Leonardo.ai. It's an amazing website that gives you 150 free credits daily, which you can use to generate multiple high-quality images. Step 2. Try this first prompt copy and paste the following prompt into Leonardo.ai to see how it works. A humanoid cow sitting on a wooden crate at the beach, wearing torn old clothes, fishing with a rod, a basket full of fish beside it, ocean waves in the background, early morning sky with seagulls flying, realistic lighting, surreal and emotional atmosphere, highly detailed, photorealistic style. Now observe the image that gets generated. See how beautifully and realistically it turns out. Step 3. Paste the second prompt. Next, we will paste another prompt to generate a different image. Here's the second prompt. A vibrant, cinematic Indian village setting under a bright blue sky with scattered clouds. In the center stands a majestic white buffalo with exaggerated royal features. Large curved horns adorned with gold rings, a massive golden pendant hanging from its neck, and strikingly white tusks, giving it a mythical or godlike aura. Beside the buffalo stands a traditionally dressed Indian village woman in a golden-orange sari with a red palu, veil, and green blouse. She looks at the buffalo in awe and pride, hands gently folded in front of her. Her expression is serious, almost as if she's guarding or worshipping the animal. At the buffalo's feet is a large steel pot filled with glowing magical blue liquid, instead of normal milk, sparkling slightly and emitting a soft mist. The buffalo stares forward powerfully, its presence calm yet divine. Once you paste it, the image will appear. Look how rich and detailed the artwork is. Tip: you don't always have to copy my prompts exactly. You can adjust them according to your own ideas. For example, if you want the cow to be riding a bicycle, you could simply ask ChatGPT to turn that into a proper prompt and then use it on Leonardo.ai. Step 4. Try the third prompt. Here's another powerful and creative prompt to try. A majestic Indian buffalo with glossy pure white skin that shines like polished ivory and massive curved horns that spiral upwards stands regally on a small, lush green hill covered with vibrant grass and scattered wildflowers. An exaggerated frothy stream of milk gushes powerfully from its mouth like a waterfall, with tiny droplets suspended in midair. Dozens of excited Indian villagers, dressed in traditional crisp white dhotis and adorned with colorful turbans, run with large, intricately designed silver milk pots to collect the precious liquid, their faces beaming with joy and anticipation. One elderly farmer, with a long, flowing white beard and a majestic turban, holds a huge, ornate pot, smiling broadly with unbridled joy, his wrinkled skin creasing with age. Against the backdrop of a bright, serene blue sky, with soft, puffy clouds resembling cotton candy, the scene unfolds with a sense of wonder and magic. The image is rendered in a hyper-realistic, Pixar-style 3D cartoon, with highly detailed textures, cinematic lighting that enhances the drama, and a surreal, exaggerated visual tone. Again, once you paste this prompt, you'll see a stunning, magical image generated. Now we will make a video for this. For that, we will use CR or Pixaverse. In my opinion, Pixaverse is a good website where we can get 90 credits daily and we can make AI videos on it. This is a very good website. Daily credits are available. If you use your brain and use more Gmail accounts, then you can get many credits. I open Pixaverse now, and where my mouse is pointing, look there. I will click and upload the image. I will select the image from here. You also have to do the same. Follow the flow. Now we will make a video step by step. For this, an important prompt is needed. This is the prompt for the first image. The fish are coming out of the sea while the cow is sitting on the shore. When I click on Create, in a few seconds the video will be made. Now the video is ready. You can see it. Don't forget to like the video. Now I upload the second image. The prompt is, the cow is releasing milk from its mouth. I will click on Create, and this video will also be made. You can see how beautiful the video is. Don't forget to like the video. Now I upload the third image and write the prompt. The cow is drinking water from the deck and its golden locket is swinging. A girl is watching it. After this, I will click on Create and the video will be made. You can see how good and smooth the video is. If you have any question, you can message me in the comments. I will reply to you. Now I upload the last image and its prompt is, the cow is riding a bicycle now. After that, I will click on Create and in a short time, the video will be made. Now I will go to CapCut and adjust it according to the scenes. You can also adjust it in any software you want. I hope you liked the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Next time I will bring another new method. Thanks for watching the video.